LookTech AI Glass. Your personal assistant just became wearable with the LookTech AI glasses. These advanced smart glasses come with a 13-megapixel camera and the ability to record 2K video, all hands-free. Weighing in at just 37 grams, they're light enough for all-day use and come equipped with immersive audio for a rich experience. The AI assistant inside is powered by top-tier platforms like GPT 4.0, Gemini, and Claude, delivering real-time support as you go. With a massive 14-hour battery life, you can rely on them throughout your day, and the system updates itself with the latest AI models, keeping you on the cutting edge. UDCAP VR gloves. Step into immersive virtual reality with UDCAP VR gloves, designed specifically for Steam VR users. These gloves feature haptic feedback, gesture triggers, and ab buttons, giving you total control in the virtual space. With 42-point angle capture, elastic sensors, and accurate motion tracking, your hand movements translate perfectly to your VR environment. It's lightweight at only 45 grams, and built with 12 sensors covering all finger joints. These gloves offer 21 joint angles, ensuring precision and freedom of movement. With a 15-hour battery and a washable design, these gloves are ready for long gaming sessions. Carve 2. Hit the slopes with smarter technique using the Carve to Digital Ski Coach. This AI-powered device clips onto your ski boots and uses 6-axis motion sensors to track your performance. It provides real-time coaching, helping you refine your form from beginner wedge turns to expert carving. You'll receive feedback on your control, speed, and posture, transforming your skiing game one run at a time. What was once exclusive to high-end coaches is now available on your personal device, giving you elite training at a fraction of the cost. MoveOn ME800. Enjoy bone-conducting sound on the move with the MoveOn ME800 headphones. These foldable, waterproof headphones provide 30 hours of standby time and 2 hours of use with just 5 minutes of charging. It's featuring a QCC 3040 chip, dual mic noise cancellation, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. They're built for both sound quality and convenience. The ME800s also include a built-in safety light for night runs, making them perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want comfort, performance, and portability in one compact design. Can promote healing and reduce stress with the wearable wellness device. Can This gadget uses red light therapy to target inflammation and pain, while vagus nerve stimulation on the neck enhances gut-brain communication. Proven through over 6,000 studies, Kineon has shown potential relief for issues like Crohn's disease, bloating, and anxiety. Controlled via an app, it delivers therapeutic results at home or on the go. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to improve internal wellness. The nervous system and enhance sleep naturally. Ringcon Gen 2 track your health metrics without bulk using the sleek Ringcon Gen 2 smart ring. With advanced sleep apnea tracking, oxygen saturation, and heart rate monitoring, this ring is packed with features in a frame less than a gram and a millimeter thick. It lasts 10 to 12 days on a single charge and is waterproof up to 100 meters. Now eligible for HSA and FSA in the US, this ring is a serious wellness tool. With built-in AI recommendations and app integration, your sleep and health habits just got smarter. Scout Light Blinkadent. Let the dark stop your evening workouts. The Scout Light Blinko is a multi-purpose wearable safety light designed for maximum visibility. With clips, wristbands, necklaces, and magnetic attachments, you can wear it anywhere on your dog. At only 38 grams and the size of a watch dial, it's lightweight and powerful. Blinko has visibility of up to 1,000 meters and syncs automatically with nearby devices. Rated IPX5 waterproof, it's ready for rainy runs and dark hikes, keeping you safe and visible no matter where you go. Back to Future 2 Nixie Tube Watch Combine. Retro style with modern functionality in the Back to Future to Nixie Tube Watch with vintage Soviet-era aesthetics and modern electronics. This watch features Nixie tubes that glow with nostalgic flair. It has 6 months of standby time and 1,000 activations per charge. With vibrant date displays, colorful animations, and beautifully crafted numeral segments, This watch is a conversation starter and collector's dream. A perfect blend of the past and the future. It's all on your wrist. Nothing ear open, experience crystal clear. Audio without covering your ears with the Nothing Ear Open headphones. These stylish, transparent ear hooks deliver 30 hours of playback. Per charge and connect via Bluetooth 5.3. Equipped with 2 microphones and a sound seal system. They offer excellent call quality and audio privacy. With EQ control available via the Nothing X app and ultra-low lag, they're ideal for gamers and music lovers alike. Only 19 millimeters thick. They're sleek enough to wear comfortably all day. Plod NotePen. Take your notes to the next level with Plod NotePen, the AI-powered transcription and summarization device. Supporting 112 languages, this gadget provides accurate voice-to Q-suit text functionality, identifies multiple speakers, and stores up to 64 gigabytes locally with unlimited cloud options. It offers 40 days of standby and 20 hours of recording per charge. Built with privacy in mind, it uses encrypted cloud storage and supports AI models like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5. Wear it as a clip wristband or magnetic pin for ultimate convenience. Therabody smart goggles. Relax and recharge with Therabody smart goggles. The wearable stress relief solution that combines heat, massage, and biometrics. These goggles adapt to your heart rate to deliver calming effects directly to your temples, easing headaches, eye strain, and anxiety. They're foldable, USB-C, rechargeable, and last up to 3 hours per session. With app-based control and scientifically backed features, the smart goggles are your daily wellness ritual in a sleek, portable package. Unlock your full respiratory potential with Oxa, the wearable breathwork coach. Embedded in a quick-dry shirt or sports bra, this system measures your breathing in real time, helping you adjust and optimize it during workouts or mindfulness practices. By providing actionable feedback, Oxa empowers users to improve cardio, performance, reduce stress, and anchor mental focus. It's more than a fitness tracker. It's a gateway to breath-based well-being that bridges body and mind like never before.